Number 1. Huggies Size Newborn Diapers, Skin Essentials Baby Diapers. Huggies Size Newborn Diapers, 168 Huggies Skin Essentials Baby Diapers, Size Newborn, 6 to 9 pounds, Rash Protection. Skin Essentials Baby Diapers help protect against the top 2 causes of rash, mess, by managing runny mess, and moisture. Skin Protect Liner. Huggies Skin Essentials Infant Diapers feature the Skin Protect Liner, which helps lock away moisture and runny mess. Number 2. Huggies Newborn Diapers, Little Snugglers Newborn Diapers. Huggies Newborn Diapers, 144 Little Snugglers Newborn Diapers, Size Newborn, up to 10 pounds, up to 100% leak-free protection. Our baby diapers have Huggies Leak Lock System that offers up to 12 hours of leak protection, gentle skin protection. These Huggies infant diapers offer a curved and stretchy fit with all-around comfort for a gentle tummy fit. Number 3. Huggies Size 1 Diapers, Snug Dry Newborn Diapers. Huggies Size 1 Diapers, 108 Snug Dry Newborn Diapers, Size 1, 8 to 14 pounds, packaging may vary. New improved Snug Dry disposable diapers are up to 100% leak-proof even from blowouts. The only leading brand entirely fragrance-free. Snug Dry baby diapers are made free of fragrances, added lotions, parabens, and natural rubber latex. Number 4. Pampers Baby Diapers. Pampers Swaddlers Diapers offer superior skin protection against 4 main causes of diaper rash: elevated pH, mess on skin, friction, overhydration, blowout barrier that helps prevent leaks from escaping from the back of the diaper. The number 1 best-selling diaper, based on Nielsen dollar sales, L52W, the only diaper with a front and back waistband to help prevent leaks and help keep your active baby comfortable while on the move. Number 5. Coterie Baby Wipes Diapers Kit. The baby diapers minimize leaks, blowouts, and the cause of moisture-related diaper rash. Coterie diapers can absorb over 16 ounces of liquid, based on lab testing of size 4 diapers, and provide up to 4x faster absorbency and up to 3x drier skin, compared to leading brands in lab testing. Ultrasoft, apparel-grade materials offer day and night comfort and protection for baby's delicate skin. The baby wipes. Coterie unscented baby wipes are mad. Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel.